Welcome back, everybody. I'm just going to the browser to show you what I'm just going to teach you in this class. I'm just going to the folder first. This is the HTML5 folder. Come on, let me open. I'm just going back and I'm going to the HTML project. Actually, I'm just going to define you that why I'm just teaching you this class. Now, this is a simple page. You can see the problem is did you remember that here the text was held, but we removed the text and just put it the points, the dots, as you can see, the periods. Okay, so this is a simple way to do that, or actually we just put it this points manually, okay, by putting the periods, but there is a specific way in the HTML5. So I'm just going to the browser and instead of the simple text, I'm putting a lot of things here. So first of all, I'm just removing the padding, and secondly, I'm just removing the font size, so it will get the by default font size. Refresh. Now you can see that the text. Okay, so for now I'm just putting the specific width for now, and what the width I'm just providing here, I'm just putting around the 200 pixels. And second thing, I'm just removing the border, I'm just putting the 1px border. So refresh, and this is the text. I just did that. So by the way, what more I'm just doing, I'm just going there the text and I'm just typing a lot of things, the basic text without any meaning, just for learning. Whatever you want to put, you can save and refresh. Okay, awesome. But the thing is that you know that it just changed its height and width and it just got a line break. So I'm just gonna handle these things. Basically the text is overflowing. Okay, so first of all I need to put the property, the overflow, and I just make sure that the overflow should be hidden. Save and refresh. Okay, nothing happening. Go back. Okay, just before the overflow we have to apply another thing, the white space, no wrap. Let's just check it in the browser. I'm going there and refresh. Now white space, when the white space comes, it's not wrapping, it means not putting any line break. But if I just remove the overflow hidden, so what it will do, only the no wrap. Refresh. Now it's just going as simple as it is. But if I just put the overflow as instead of hidden, if I just put the visible, refresh. Now the text is visible, you can see that it's visible. Okay, in an old way it's hidden. Now you can see that it's not there. I should change the color of the text, which is confusing us. Basically the color should be black. So refresh. Okay, the by default the hidden way is this. If I just remove the overflow hidden, now I'm just cutting that and refreshing. Now you can see that the text is not hiding, it's visible. That was the confusing thing. I was also confused just because of the color. So by the way, if I just remove the white space, now save and refresh, now you can see that it's going down. But if I just put the no wrap, so it's not wrapping, but in a same row it's breaking the content. Actually it's going out of the element, the main element. So now I just put it the overflow as hidden. If it's overflow, it should hidden. So refresh, and now it's hiding, it's not going. So this is the overflow property, the hidden and the visible. You can use both of them. And this is a white space. You've learned about that. I'm going to teach you about the text overflow, the new property, HTML CSS3's new property, ellipses. Oh, wait for a while. Ellipses. Save and refresh. Now by using the ellipses, you can see that there are some dots, okay, which automatically came here, as we just put the dots here by you putting the periods actually manually, but here we just do not need to do that. It's automatically applied. Okay, this is what I just want to teach you, the text overflow. So guys, something more is there. If I just copy this one and the div 2, and they're duplicating in the div 2 again, and save it and just go to the browser back and refresh. Now we got two things here. First of all, I'm removing the floating technique, because exactly it won't take very much space because you know that they are on the same way, so they're vertically adjusted. So what I'm just doing in this div 2, did you remember the tag WBR which breaks long words? But the problem is that we just have to put the WBR where we want to break up. But here, by using the word wrap, okay, and we just need to put break word. Now save, and if I just go to the browser and refresh, oh, nothing happening. Just why? Because if you just want to use the word wrap, we have to remove the no space and the overflow etc, remove all these things, save and refresh. But basically nothing new happened, you know that we just used the word wrap. So now if I'm just removing the space here, here and save and refresh that back, okay, still we need to remove this one, save and refresh. Okay, so remove and save and refresh. Now you can see that it didn't come there, but because it just sees that this word is too long, so it broke when it needs, you know that what the thing is that basically it not pasting it not covering the space. Again, I'm just clearing that it not covering the extra space. It is breaking the words who can break the sentence. I'm just showing you if I just remove the word break, so save and refresh. Now you know that it's going out of the content, okay, but it won't do anything if I just use the break word. So it just broke the word, but it won't do anything. Refresh. Now you can see that it just didn't break the word and put these things here like the WBR, or I'll just guide you another technique. So not like that one which I'm just teaching you. I'll teach you. I didn't teach you that technique, by the way. So now neither just break the width should be pasted here and out from this next line, but it just got active, the word wrap got active when the text is going out of the box and breaking the whole sentence. So it just worked. This is the word wrap. So now do you want to learn some more thing about the text? So let's just copy this one and paste there, div 3. It should be the div 3. Duplicate in div 3. Okay, awesome. Remove the word wrap and save and refresh. Okay, this is the text, the div 3. Okay, save. Okay, yeah, there is a break automatically, so everything is fine. If remove that and save and then refresh, now it got the line break actually. And if you just generally want to break the words, the word break all, now save. Now it will break the word from anywhere. You can see that here it broke the word, and then here we just don't need to break that. But actually now when we just put it the property, the word break and break all, so actually it now caring for the sentence and for the blank space too. It's not only caring if the word is going out of the content, it just concentrating wherever the space left here. You know that it just cares about this space which we just left here. It covers there and broke the word. The break all means just break the word and fill up any blank space. So this is the word break and break all. So guys, these are the major things of the word of the text styles of the CSS3. So in the next class we will learn some more interesting things. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.